Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diva here. For those who are new, hello, and for my returning subscribers, welcome. You dig? So people, I just want to get not straight into video. Before we get into this video, please would you kindly subscribe to my channel. It's not gonna hurt you, it's not gonna kill you to press that red button. Just press it. I'll give you guys a moment to do so. Thank you. Right people, so today's video, as you can see, my face is literally more or less done, but I have bought XXrevolution eyeshadow products from Beauty Bay, and I just want to go through it with you and then just try and create an eye look. Hence why everything's done. I'm excited to try these products. It's 2 eyeshadow palettes and a highlighter, but I will show you guys. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. People, like, this is the Beauty Bay. Let's start again. Right guys, so this is the Beauty Bay box that the products came in. I have opened it because I couldn't wait to see what it looked like, but it's only literally 3 products, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So the first product is the exposure highlighter. It says it's a multi-dimensional powder. It is retail at £12. So yeah, so it comes in a little pretty pink box. It has the XX right there, and when you open it, it does have a mirror. It does have a mirror, and this is what the product looks like. So I haven't actually tried this, so let me just swatch that on my hand. So that's the color it comes out, if you guys could see. Reminds me of the Fenty trophy, the wifey trophy, is that what it's called? Anyway, that's what it reminds me of in the color. Okay, that's what I'm going to use for my highlighter, my nose, whatever. The next product is the Chameleon High Shimmer Shadow. The reason why I got it is because it was high shimmer shadows. I'm not sure if it is. It is retailing at £20, but I do believe Beauty Bay at the moment do have some reductions going on. Guys, this is a pretty box or palette. That's what it looks like, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. Should I swatch it, guys, so you guys can see? Let me swatch it. This is high, what's it called again? High what? It said it's high shimmer shadow, so it better be high. This better be high, because I didn't pay £20 for no dimsy one. That one. This color. That doesn't look like it comes out that much. This color. It's purple, and I'm gonna have to use the pink one on the other hand. Am I even impressed with this, guys? Right now it looks like the palette is crumbling, if you guys can see, and here are the colors from that palette. What do you guys think? I don't know, from my end it definitely looks high shimmery. I know it sounds weird, but believe it or not, the one that looks more shimmery to me on this end is the brown, but it doesn't look like it on camera. So those are the colors. Not sure if I want to use that. And most importantly, this is the Extra Nude Shadow Palette by XXrevolution. I was so excited when I opened this. I ripped the box, but I'm gonna open it for you guys. Here are the colors on this side, and I'm gonna show you guys what it's about. Voila, bam. So these are the colors that are in this palette. What do you guys think of this palette? I really don't know what look to do with this palette. I do have like a brownie jumper. I don't know. Right guys, I really don't know what I'm doing with this palette. So this is just a random, yeah, I don't even know. But let me just start off with this color right down here. So I'm using this brush to just place this all on my eye. Is this really pigmented or what? This color looks brown on the palette. Don't know if you guys can see it. Sorry, it looks like a very like caramel type color, but from what I can see, if you can see in the camera, it looks brown, dark brown. So guys, I'm a bit confused with why the color is coming out a bit different. Then I'm going to go in with this color here. I'm just gonna put that on top of my on top of the eye shadow. Okay, no, it's falling out. I'm gonna put on top of the eyeshadow that I just done. Wow, it's really falling out, guys. Just to blend in that brown color that I just did. Take away those harsh lines. I've done the base color. Right now I'm gonna take this shading brush. I'm thinking just to do a halo look, but I also want to know if these colors pop or not. So guys, I've got like slight hooded eyes, so I just normally just go above my crease, this, and just work my way down. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush, and I don't know, I'm quite disappointed because this palette does not really have a predominant gold in it, so I think I may just have to go for this. I don't know, guys. Like, you have this whole palette and you don't even have like a gold in it. So let's place that on there. See guys, it's not really shiny. I think it's just doing the job, but I don't think this is really high pigmented. Well, I never said it was high pigmented, but for the price, you would think like it would be, but it's actually not. So now I'm going to go in with this dark brown here. Yeah, and just place it here. So I'm just gonna rub that in, guys. Actually, yeah, I'm actually feeling this look, guys. Guys, I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera. Eyes will be back. Right guys, I'm back. I did use these lashes to put on my eye because they're so big. There was no need to do like a wing liner. It's not everyday wing liner, so I literally put this on just to finish the look. Hope you guys like it, but I'll put the link for these in the description box. I can't remember the name of them. They're from Amazon, but I'll put it down for you guys to see. So we're moving on to the highlighter. I just want to see what this looks like on my skin, and I'll put in a bit of lippy and then just give my final review. Okay, let's go. It's not as bright as I thought it would be, but that's good in a way because I don't like to be looking like Tintin from Wizard of Oz. But yeah, it's not bad. It feels kind of creamy. It doesn't really feel, it's not very, what's the word, dusty. It's very creamy, look creamy. So it feels like on the skin. I'm going to put my favourite lip liner, as you guys know, from NUA Academy in the colour Obsession. And I'm just going to line my lips. Quick. I want to take this lip look here, Slip Tease by NUX in the colour Urban Oasis. I'm going to place that on my lips. So it looks like. Get a little bit. And I'm going to finish it off with some gloss. And finish it off with the Matte Fix or Control Setting Spray. I'm going to spray my face. Woo! And guys, bombs your uncle. I'm done. So the XXrevolution Xtra Nude palette, it actually wasn't too bad. You have to put a bit of force into the shimmer color to make it come out, but it is pigmented. Like I said, it could have had a gold in there, like a very high shimmery gold, but it's more bronzies and nudey and browns and colors. You should have put a gold in there. It had to be done. As for the shimmer, the explosion highlighter in the golden hour, it's not too bad. You guys can see it. Not one of my fave highlighters, but it will do the job. So guys, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. You know guys, I interact with you guys on a level. I always get back to you, so please guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you want me to do next. Give me some suggestions on a video you guys want me to do. And yeah guys, yeah, I'm kind of feeling myself. But anyway guys, before I go, please subscribe to a girl's channel. You don't want to miss out on Divanays channel. So before you leave here, please press that red button, and I shall see you guys all on my next video. Ooh, on my next on my next video. Ooh, on my next video. Hey, on my next video. Oh. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Have a good night, a morning, afternoon, whatever you, I don't know, whatever you're doing at this time when you're watching this. And I shall see you soon. One love. Bye bye.